Hello, this is Dr. Michelle Jorgensen with Living Well with Dr. Michelle. We have had such an amazing trip going to visit all these farms throughout the Pacific Northwest, really learning about self-sufficient living, because that is what I am talking about right now. My new book just released on Amazon called Self-Sufficient Living. And in it, I teach you all the things that you need to do to be able to really live independently. You know, our world is crazy right now, and the last thing we want is to not have what our family needs because we are so dependent on different institutions, governments, supply chains, whatever it might be. So as we went all through the Pacific Northwest, we saw all different ways that people were doing this. And it's not just one way or one size fits all. That's really what this book helps you with as well. It takes you 12 steps through self-sufficient living, but you choose to what degree you want to do it and which step you want to take, which is great. You know, we got back here home to our homestead, and yesterday I spent the entire day out in this wonderful sunshine planting our spring garden, and as such, I got sunburned. So one thing I wanted to show you is some things that I show you in the book as well. This is called Miracle Salve, and it is exactly what it says. It's a miracle. It is wonderful for healing all sorts of things, particularly burns. So as soon as I started feeling the sunburn yesterday, I pulled out the salve and put it on, and it's nearly gone today. You won't blister. Everything will heal beautifully. I couldn't believe the difference even just when I woke up this morning. So that is something that I teach you how to make in the book, because that is part of self-sufficient living, as well as taking care of your own health care and providing for your family. Acute needs, no, you know, if somebody's cut something off, you probably need to run to the emergency room. But other than that, I really want to teach you how to make your own medicine, how to take care of your family. Another thing that I should have been wearing yesterday is I teach you how to make sunscreen. This is a sunscreen stick that you can make all on your own. And another thing is bug repellent lotion, because there are so many chemicals and toxic things in a lot of these products that I just don't like personally, and I don't like my family to use them. So I teach you how to make all of these things in a much less toxic, safer way, but also in an independent way. So you can stockpile all the ingredients for these things and make them, you know, time and time again. This also saves a ton of money. So please check out my book. It's on Amazon now, Self-Sufficient Living by Michelle Jorgensen, and the rest of my family are all contributors on this one. And please join me for the book launch event. It is going to be on April 21st at 7 p.m. It's a free Zoom launch where I teach you all that I'm going to teach you in this book. I'll give you some highlights and just get you excited and get you started. So again, this is Living Well with Dr. Michelle Jorgensen. Have a great day.